Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make stronger coffee on the Philips 4400 coffee machine. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you have a machine like this, and this is my Philips 4400 coffee machine, and you want to make stronger coffee, this is the video for you. It is super simple. There are many different settings that you can change to get better tasting coffee and stronger coffee, and you can go and really fine-tune everything, and I have really fine-tuned everything, but I'm going to just give you the easiest two settings to change. And if you change these two settings, you're going to get, I would say, the majority of the way to getting like the most flavorful, strong coffee that you can have. And obviously you can take it further than this, but these are just the fastest settings. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the coffee that you want, okay? So I'm going to go into espresso, for instance, okay? And essentially what you want to do is for the bean intensity, which is this one here, and you could call it whatever you want. You know, the bean strength, the bean intensity. I'm not even sure. I can't remember what it's officially called, but for this bean icon right here, you want to bring it to the top. This is essentially, as far as I understand, how much bean will be used, how many beans will be used in the coffee. So you want to bring it all the way to the top, which means you're going to use more coffee beans. So you want that to be higher up, okay? And then, sorry about that. The other one is here, which is the coffee volume. So this is how much espresso is going to come out. You want it to be low. So as you can see right here, I have chosen 30 milliliters, and 30 milliliters is a key number for me because it's basically low. So if I push down, I think that's the lowest it can go. Yeah. So if I push down, it can't go down. It can't go further down. You can see you can choose different amounts. You have 40 milliliters, 50, 60, and so on and so forth. But I go down to 30, and I'm pushing it over and over. It's not going further. Okay, as you can see, 30 milliliters is the lowest, so 30 milliliters is what I use. Very simple. And what that means is basically that we're going to use the most beans in the smallest amount of coffee volume. And what that's going to do is that's going to produce strong coffee. So if you want strong coffee, those are the two settings that you can change quickly and easily, and it'll allow you to make your coffee stronger, and it's going to get you the majority of the way there. Really, really simple. And obviously, whatever drink you're making, you want to follow the same thing. So you want to get high bean intensity with low coffee volume. So like use lots of beans in the smallest amount of coffee liquid, right? And no matter which coffee beverage you're making, you want to follow that same idea. And if you follow that same idea, you should get strong coffee in any beverage that you're choosing to make. And it's literally that simple. Like I said, there are other things that you can do. I've fine-tuned my machine. There are lots of other things that you can change. Excuse me. I don't want to say lots, but definitely quite a few other things that you can change. Excuse me again. I'm sorry. I'm getting all this. I guess indigestion of this gas coming up. I do apologize. I wouldn't even say I'm fully burping. It's just these little, stomach air bubbles that are coming up. Anyways, yeah, there are lots of other things, and I do apologize. I excuse myself. I'm sorry. I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta film my content whether I'm having indigestion or not, okay? So I do apologize. I'll say it one last time. Excuse me, okay? I'm sorry, I've excused myself. We're gonna move on. I'm well-mannered, so I had to do that, but we're gonna move on. So like I said, essentially, you can go in depth and you can change more settings, and I wouldn't say there's a lot of them, but there are a few that you can change to get the strongest coffee, the best flavored coffee in terms of like coffee intensity and just overall flavor and boldness and so on and so forth. And I've changed all those, but like those are like the two quickest ones that you can change, and they'll get you the majority of the way there to the strong coffee flavor that you are, I'm guessing, searching for. Because you clicked on this piece of content, you're watching this video, you clicked on the video, whatever the case is, I'm guessing that you want stronger coffee. That'll get you a good way there. And that's essentially it. Those are the quickest and easiest things that you can do. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, but I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.